1987 Topps wax pack box. This will be video 2 of 2. We're going to open packs 3 and 4. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled, also to see what rookies we're looking for, what 100 cards there are, what error cards, where corrected cards were made. We're looking for the top 5 87 Topps cards according to a website online. And then also, oh, no, that's it. $17 cards in these wax packs. Let's go ahead and take a look at pack number 3. Gum's looking fine. Back card. Got a little bit of a nick. So it's Scott Nielsen we're going to get rid of. Going to go ahead and give that to Jordan Mason. Leaves us with our Spring Fever Baseball offer. Got Cale Daniels, Mickey Tittleton, Bob Boone, Ron Shepard, Willie McGee. We'll throw Willie some love. He was a phenomenal player. Jeff Reardon, Pat Sheridan, Tom Waddell, Al Nipper. And it looks like on the back of that Al Nipper card, we've got some wax residue. Go ahead and put that in the Jordan Mason pile. Got Jesse Orosco, Kelly Downs, Alejandro Pena, Vern Rule. Nice Topps All-Star Rookie Gold Cup card of Pete in Cavaglia. That does look like it's going to be his rookie card. We'll go ahead and throw that up there. Don Schultz. Oh, nice. Ricky Henderson, the late great stolen base king. Sweet. Loving that. We put Ricky on the stand, but unfortunately, he's the last card. Unfortunately, Ricky passed away not too long ago. So besides Ricky, we threw some love to Willie McGee. Nice long career with St. Louis. And pulled Pete in Cavaglia's Gold Cup rookie card. Real happy about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at pack number 4. Gum's looking all right. Back cards got some residue. So Mike Diaz going to go in the Jordan Mason pile. Spring Fever Baseball as usual. Again, we do hang on to these. We include at least one of those in every complete set. I mean, they came with the 87 Topps cards. Might as well include them in the set, right? Got Carl Best, Randy St. Clair, Juan Agasto, nice Doc Gooden, manager of the New York Mets at the time, Dave Johnson, Carmelo Martinez, Terry Forster, Dwight Evans, Carney Lansford, John Henry Johnson, Tony Armas, Storm Davis, as an Oriole, used to him being an Athletic, Brian Dayette, Scott Bradley, Darnell Coles, and finally, San Francisco Giants leaders. And who do we have on that card? There we go. Looks like we've got Bob Brenly and Jim Gott. I think Brenly's the think Brenly's the catcher, if I'm not mistaken. And Gott's the pitcher. Could be wrong. It's going to be worth 5 cents, but that's who's on the Giants leaders card for 87 tops. Right, not bad on that pack. We did pull that Dwight. Doc Gooden, real happy about that. Oh, he's a big fan of Doc. All right, folks, there you have it. Video 2 of 2, packs 3 and 4, 1987 tops. A pair of 17 card wax packs from the box. Thanks, everyone, for supporting the Scooterpax YouTube channel, as well as my Facebook followers and supporters, and our TikTok channel. It's starting to get a flame to it. It was a smoky fire at first, but we're building it. So we're really happy with everyone that comments, thumbs up, and all that good stuff. So take care, stay safe, and stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll continue 87 tops. We've got some rack packs. We don't have any cello packs, but we do have super jumbo packs. So we'll do one of those. We'll do 2 rack packs and a super jumbo pack tomorrow.